Hello dear students. We are already learned how to construct similar triangles. Now we shall construct the tangents to a circle from the external point. We are already proved in the theorem that is the tangents drawn from the external point a circle are equal, and also we proved the tangent drawn at the point of contact to the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. The radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. You can verify by constructing these type of constructions here. That means you have to learn these constructions also, because compulsory they were going to ask these type of constructions for 2 marks in your examination. Look over this question, dear students. Construct a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point 9 centimeter away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle. This is what the question. Here you have to note that two measures are given here. One is the radius 4 centimeter and another one is the distance between the center to the external point 9 centimeter. In this construction you have to draw first the distance between the center to the external point, that is 9 centimeter line segment. Draw a line segment of 9 centimeter length. Let me call it as somewhat OP. Here O is the center of the circle, P is the external point, which is 9 centimeter here. Now draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, which is given radius. Take the length of given radius, that is 4 centimeter, in your compass. With O as center, draw a circle. This is what the circle of 4 centimeter radius. Now let us draw two tangents to this circle here. For that you have to make sure the contact points know. For that let us take the perpendicular bisector of this line OP. To draw the tangents, contact points are needed. Take the length of more than half of this line OP. Take two arcs on either side of this OP here, with O and P as center. We got 2 points here. With these 2 points, mark the midpoint and put some dashed lines here. Let me call this midpoint as M here. M is the midpoint of OP. Now with M as center, OM as radius, OM or OP you can take. Both are same because M is the midpoint. No, with OM as radius, cut the circle at two distinct points here on either side. Since we have to get two tangents, no, a pair of tangents, therefore you have to cut on either side of the circle. Let me call that them as somewhat A and B. A and B are the contact points for the circle. They are automatically exactly that is perpendicular to the radius. If I draw, you see. Now join OA and OB here. OA, OB. They are exactly perpendicular. Now let us draw the tangents from P. You see. Join AP and BP. AP and BP are two tangents, required tangents to a circle with center O of radius 4 cm from a point 9 cm away from its center, with the external point A, that is the contact points A and B, the external point with P here. So this is always perpendicular. The radius is OA and OP here. These two radii are always perpendicular to the tangents here, that is AP and BP. Always perpendicular, 90 degree. So this is how we are going to construct a pair of tangents from an external point to a circle with the given radius. Students, let us construct one more construction in the next video. Thank you.